it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to teach you guys how you can actually get your inquiries removed from TransUnion and Equifax an easier way. Now, I already told you guys how you were able to get inquiries removed from all three credit bureaus, and I told you guys I was able to get my inquiries removed in 4 hours, and it was so many other people that actually got the trick and they was able to actually do this themselves. But if you guys don't know like the overall thing on how to remove inquiries, definitely check down below, because that way in that method is going to be very easy for you to actually do. And with this second method, it may take a little bit more work, you know, it's going to take a little bit more effort, but it's something that's going to work also, but it's not going to work as effective as maybe the first way. So definitely make sure you guys go down below and get the main way on how to remove inquiries. Now, if you're already trying the main way that I taught you guys and the inquiries are not coming off of TransUnion and Equifax, they're playing hardball with you. They're telling you that they're not going to remove inquiries from your credit reports. What I want you to do is I want you to do what they say that they want you to do, basically, right? So a few things that they may tell you to do. They may tell you, hey, get a copy of a police report. So if these inquiries are not yours, you guys, don't forget, you can go to the police station and you can file a report saying, hey, I got some inquiries on my report. It's a quick report that you'll file. You'll send that in to the credit bureaus, and then they'll remove your inquiries in 5 days. So yes, you guys, you can try that. Go ahead and get your police reports and send that in to all three credit bureaus. So that's one thing you can try. The next thing, you may get a letter from them and they may say, hey, we do not remove inquiries from your credit reports. Credit reports or credit inquiries are factual, right? You may get a letter from them, and that's sometimes after you send in my dispute letter. I have that dispute letter for free for inquiries removal. It's down below, so make sure you guys check that out. But after you send that letter in, some people are able to get those inquiries removed. So like, that's good, that's great. But if you're not able to get your inquiries removed and you're having problems getting it removed, and they send you a letter saying, hey, inquiries are factual. If they send you that letter, then what you need to do is you need to send a letter to the company that you got the inquiry with. And that letter, I'll have that letter down below too if you guys need that. But you send a letter in to the company where you got the inquiry, and you ask them about the inquiry. Basically, send that letter in, and sometimes they'll go ahead and contact the credit bureau saying that they're going to remove it, or they'll send you a letter saying that they need to have it removed, and you can take that letter and send it in to the credit bureaus. If you do not get any response back from them, then you will contact the credit bureaus again and say, hey, I didn't get a response. These inquiries need to be removed from my credit reports. So that's one way you can do it too. Now, the last way, you guys, not I want to say the last way, but another way that you guys can do it, if you want to make sure that these inquiries get removed from your credit reports, and I see a lot of people get results this way, is if you send in an FTC complaint. So that's been like the secret weapon, secret sauce for a lot of people. If you guys go ahead and file a FTC complaint, it's kind of like a police report, but it's not like you're going to the police or anything like that. They're going to go ahead and print you out something that you can send in to the credit bureaus. So go ahead and print out your report that you filed with the FTC. I'll make sure I have the links down below. Go ahead and print that report out and send it in to the credit bureaus. And send that in too with your inquiry letter that I have down below. Send that in addition to. And again, like I said, the police report, they're supposed to remove those inquiries in 5 days. This is the FTC report, you guys. You should see that same time frame in getting inquiries removed. Now, when I say 5 days, don't forget they do have to get the letter. Don't forget they do have to get that letter for the inquiries. So if you guys send it to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, understand too, I think that you send it out certified. So go ahead and pay like the $4.10, $4.05 to go ahead and send it out certified. Send it certified mail so that you can show, hey, I actually did mail this into you guys. You guys have not responded. You haven't did anything, because that's another way you can get inquiries removed too, is if you dispute it and they don't even respond to your letters, and you have proof that they didn't respond, they didn't investigate it, anything that's on your credit reports, and these inquiries, they should be removed from your credit reports. You can do that even with the regular disputes. I teach you guys about that inside my exclusive credit membership that you guys should definitely be signed up for already. I teach you guys, I'm like, hey, here's the letters that I send out, and you guys can send out these letters too. So when you send out that first letter, if they don't respond to your letter, they had to remove it. The second letter is, hey, you did not respond. Please remove these accounts from my credit reports. And when I tell you so many clients get so many accounts removed that way, it's a great method. So make sure when you send out your inquiries, make sure you send it out certified. Like you're going to see you're going to see like a lot of results. You're going to see that you are going to get good results when you send things out certified because you have a way to track it. But hopefully you guys try this method. If you guys have any questions, definitely go ahead and leave them down below. Or you can call 833-Rickita and I can answer any questions that you have. Well, let me not necessarily say I will answer them. I have people on my team that will answer any questions that you guys have. But if you want a better response, make sure you leave them in the comments. That way I can look and I can go through those comments because I like to answer a lot of comments too, and I can answer you. A lot of times we get like a very long message. It's like, dang, I should make a video about this, and I will make a video about that topic. So if you guys have some good questions, definitely put those down below in the comments too, because when I see those long messages, I'm like, or I see messages and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to make a video about this. I usually make a video about it, but I guess I'll catch you guys on the live, and I will see you guys in the next video. Good luck.